Hey guys, what's happening? So, real quick, I get a lot of requests for this chili during this time of year. It's winter time. We're getting ready for a little ugly Christmas sweater party here at the house. I'm making chili for everybody. A real basic recipe. If you guys are looking for a new chili recipe, you can try it out. It works good. It's real simple. So, 3 cans of each. Fire roasted diced tomatoes, kidney beans, and then Bush's medium chili beans. I normally do 2 packs of McCormick's chili per crock pot. Or you can just, add regular chili powder to it. Crushed red pepper, a medium-sized white onion or sweet onion, and then 2 heaping scoops of minced garlic, a little bit of sugar, and then flavor it and spice it up how you want, some tapatio or whatever. Meat-wise, ground chuck, or I really like ground sirloin, but ground chuck works really good too. And then what I like to do is sweet or mild Italian ground sausage. So we'll get that in there, get that nice and chopped up, browned up. We'll dump it all in together. This crock pot's ready to ride. She's going to heat up. As it cooks down, it's going to get a little more, it's going to liquefy a little bit, but not a whole lot. I like kind of a chunky chili. I don't like hot dog chili. Again, so this is fire roasted tomatoes just kind of sitting in here. Then I'll dump all the beans in there, throw salt and pepper, spices, and that in there, and it'll be ready to ride. But it's a really good little chili recipe. I think you guys will like it. It's really convenient. That 1 pound of ground beef, 1 sausage, 3 cans of each, seasoning and everything like that, fills the crock pot. I do strain the water or a lot of the sauce off of the kidney beans and the chili beans, but I keep all the tomato sauce out of the diced tomatoes. So anyway, maybe that'll be a cool chili recipe for you guys to try. Thanks so much.